Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Photosmart 7520 series printer on your Windows laptop, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google, just search for HP Photosmart 7520 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP Photosmart 7520E all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open up that link, and it should be on hp.com up at the top. Going underneath support categories, select software and drivers, and then you want to scroll down and select the HP Photosmart 7520E all-in-one printer full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that from this page. And then once it's done, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation. You can customize the applications or features that are installed alongside of it. Agree to the end user license terms, and then you can just finish configuring your printer however you want. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.